Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So I hope you will find this time to talk about when Harry met series director Rob Reiner and wife Michael Siegel found dead in LA home. Norman Lear reacts. Rob Reiner and his wife Michael Siegel are no more, with Hollywood mourning the tragic loss in following statements written by Rishi Agarwal, journalist, updated on 15 December 2025. Trigger warning: the following content contains mention of death and possible homicide. Readers are advised to proceed with caution. Actor-director Rob Reiner and his wife Michael Singer were found at their Los Angeles home on Sunday afternoon, as entirely reported by TMZ. While the identities of the two bodies discovered were unknown originally, it was later confirmed that the two were indeed the homeowners as police began an investigation into the cause. Rob Reiner and Michael Finger's demise confirmed by family statement. As rumors continue to circulate about who the people found were, a confirmation was received. It is with profound sorrow that we announce the tragic passing of Michael and Rob Renner. We are heartbroken by this sudden loss, and we ask for privacy during this unbelievably difficult time. Read a statement from the Kibble family as reported by Variety confirming their deaths. Later friend Norman Lear and the family who had Rainer in high regard shared a note mourning the passing. The Lear family is devastated by the death of Rob and Michael Rainer. Norman often referred to Rob as a son, and their close relationship was extraordinary to us, and the word Norman would have wanted to remind us that Rob and Michael spent every bit trying to make this country a better place, and they pursued through their activism, their philanthropy, and their love for family and friends. Plain Lear had remained very close with them and said the word is unmistakable, darker tonight, and we are left barefoot. It has been reported that the Lafayette Depot received a medical emergency call on December 14 at about 3:30 p.m. A man 78 and a woman 68 were discovered dead at the scene with their identities unconfirmed at that moment. Sources later verified that it was indeed Rob Reiner and his wife Michael. People share here that their son Nick is being questioned as the prime suspect for the scene, with possible homicide being considered, while there have not been any detentions so far. The authorities are said to be carrying out an investigation at the moment. There are also reports claiming that it was their daughter Romy who first found the two bodies in their house. Disclaimer: this content addresses sensitive topics including but not limited to death, which some readers may find distressing. Reader discretion is advised. If you are someone you know requires support, please seek assistance from appropriate resources. Also read Val Kilmer Cause of Death. How did Batman and Top Gun actor pass away at 65? Find out. Credits. Write a TMC Getty Image. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Good.